Nescafe is the perfect answer to all your coffee requirements. Start by pairing E with your smartphone by following these quick steps. That was easy, right? Now that your E is paired, get ready to make coffee from your phone. You can choose from a variety of recipes: hot, cold, black, creamy. Wow! I have the whole cafe menu right here. Let's try a cappuccino. And my creamy cappuccino is ready in less than 2 minutes.